Thanks, boss. Okay, so we've made it to Coupeville. I believe it's pronounced Coupeville, Coupeville. It's a historic downtown that way, which we might loop around just to check out quickly, but we need to hit our other ferry to get into Seattle. Welcome to historic downtown Coupeville. Coupeville. Yeah. Look at this old building. This is so cool. This used to be probably gravel down here and horses, you know. Yeah, it's tight. Well, this was made back in the old days, babe, when there was no... Oh, look at that. A nice little area right there for some performers. That guy's shorter than his girlfriend. Look at this, babe. Look at this building here. So flashing is, I'm guessing, four-way stop. If I were to guess. I don't know. I'm not a Washington resident, so I wouldn't know. I'm feeling like awake and feeling good from that beer. Jefferson Museum of Art and History. That's a bunker right there. So we're gonna do the little touring view of it. Isn't that cool? Well, you can go right up to it. U.S. Coast Guard Point Wilson Light, established. So that was built in 1913, but everything else was set 1879. Activated on December 15, 1879, the original light was located atop of the lightkeeper's house. And in 1913, a new tower was constructed, and the light was relocated there for better visibility. Oh no! Okay, look at this tiger. Look what happens. Ready? It'll start to go. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Starts to go crazy. I think maybe because of all the weight is back there with my passenger and the luggage. But holy crap, that's so unstable and so dangerous. I've seen some videos with this Tiger 900 ripping on Instagram where it starts to get crazy wobbles. I totally get it. Okay, we're just past Port Ledro, I believe. And I found this nice little side road on the map, so we got it going through the Triumph GPS. And I think there's a bit of a view around this corner, so I put the camera on. So we're on like a Paradise Bay right now, it's called. That is beautiful. So we came across the ferry from the other side, way over there in the distance. Can't see it on camera. The ferry ride was really nice. Had a beer, some food, hot dog for the missus, and I had a burger. And went by so fast, that half-an-hour ferry ride. Oh yeah, boys and girls, now we're going on to the Hood Canal floating bridge. Apparently, when the bridge opens up full boat traffic, it could create quite the delay. But people say the views from driving across it is totally worth it. And it's quite a bit of an engineering feat to have a floating bridge, so no piles into the water below. Yes, it's not up. And here is the bridge. Okay, so when can we go? Here we go, floating bridge. Oh, this is freaking gorgeous. Ooh, it's weird on the bike. Woo! KTM, brother. Who knows? Oh, that is just beautiful. That breeze is nice. 27 degrees, it is nice and warm. How's it going?
Okay, $9.20 for both of you.
I have these.
Have the pass. Open.
I have two of them.
I only need is the bike. I don't need the passenger.
Oh, really?
All right, do you know where to go?
Is there a bike? Is there a bike lane?
So follow the rail, the guardrail down until you see a sign that says motorcycle waiting.
Perfect.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Great day for a ride. Enjoy your weekend, guys.
Yeah, we're from Canada, so it's been awesome.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
All the way from Canada?
Yeah.
Good for you guys.
Yeah. Okay. See ya. That's crazy how many people are walking onto this ferry. Like, that's insane. Thank you. Hey, where do you want us? What's up, boys? How's it going? We are the only motorcycle on this boat today. It's pretty weird. We're the first off again, which is awesome. First off is so nice for a biker. When people go, well, why do you guys get to go first? Well, we can fit 4 motorcycles in the space you put 1 car, so it's actually good that we're coming. Welcome to Seattle. Front of the pack, welcome to downtown Seattle. Yeah, see, that's where all the pedestrians go right there. That little bridge comes down. Thank you, sir. See ya. What's a GS? 2 GSs. Yeah, and you have traffic officers just like California. So they're not cops, but they're just traffic to control traffic and make sure people don't go running through red lights. Isn't that weird? Oh, we're gonna hit the 5. No way to hold the 5 straight. Babe, this is wild. Welcome to downtown Seattle. Yeah, they have Lime bikes. We don't have either in Calgary anymore. Which is so sad. 5 is memories, okay, for me, like you wouldn't believe. Memories like you wouldn't believe. Because the 5 goes all the way down to LA, and I'll be on the 5 and the 405 all day. It's called the 405 because it comes off the 5. Seeing I-5 and 90, now we're going to hit another freeway. 5 goes south, so we need to hit another freeway that's going to go take us east. Like more east. My buns are in the air for you to enjoy. Where are we? Over here, I think. Oh no, can you open my door too?
Oh, if there were buses.